How our planters are made. We partner with local growers who practice sustainable farming and collect the discarded coconut shells. The farmers harvest the coconut meat and oil first. They cut the coconuts with a sharp blade and harvest the coconut meat with a sickle. Then, the artisans cut the coconut shells to the planter's shape and sand down the edges and surfaces. Next, they engrave the patterns and punch out holes for the planter's hangers, drainage, and designs. For the hanging coconut planters, they attach the jute rope to each side and tie a loop knot at the top. Visit rainforestbowls.com to see our collection and help us create a more sustainable and greener planet.